So, you clicked on this video for a reason. So, wanna know how I went from this flat to this? Then keep on watching because it's about to be worth it. Because what it actually will do is lift up your cherries and up and inwards as well. So, you know, when you walk as well, it's gonna bounce. And that's, you know, ideal when you wanna pass, especially as a trans woman. Personally, that's what I think. So if you want the dramatic effect, these are actually 100% worth it. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Isabel, and if you're not, welcome as well. I'm glad you're here. So for you guys who have been watching for a while, you would know that I have been on hormones for 2 years. And you know, I come with a lot of wisdom, especially regarding the chest area and your cherries, and how to make them appear bigger than what they really are. As you saw in the introduction, there's a big difference, like hello. And I'll actually share all the secrets for you guys. So make sure to, you know, stay watching in this video if you want to learn about all of them. But yeah, before we go ahead and do that, please make sure to, you know, check out my Patreon. I will be posting exclusive videos there. So yeah, you'll have access to everything if you become a member. And yeah, let's head on to the video right away. So these things that I'm actually going to be using for this video to, you know, get this result. I've not seen a lot of trans people sadly knowing about this, and I want to be the person helping you guys. You know, we are here together, and why gatekeep, you know? I'm a girl's girl at the end of the day. But they've literally changed my life to the fullest. I will even go as far to say that they have literally helped me like pass better in public especially, and made me feel better regarding my dysphoria. And first of all, I just want to mention before we go ahead with the video that everybody's body, you know, is different, and you don't need to be naturally blessed with a bigger chest in order to feel valid. You're still you know, and you're still very much beautiful either way. But this video is just more so to help, you know. So first of all, you need the foundation, which is the bra. That's the structure that's actually gonna hold up your, you know, your cherries. You want a well-fitting and tight bra, like that's the ideal. I personally like brands such as Wear Pepper, and they actually look like this. Now you might look at this and say like, oh my god, this looks very big, but this is actually a size 36A. And yeah, I mean, this, I don't even have, like my boob is not even this big, but if you look here, but I mean, the side profile of this bra is like gorgeous. And they literally, they hold them intact. But I will say that I like, regardless of what bra it is, like if you go down the stairs, obviously it's gonna feel like it's gonna pop out. So I gotta hold them cherries. Like, I'm just gonna tell you that. But this bra is so well structured, and you know, sadly it is very much expensive. I think it's like $17, including shipping. I mean, it would probably be like $100, I think. But it's so worth it, and I'm literally gonna keep this for the rest of my life, like for real. Now this is actually in the model Lift Up Bra, in the color Buff, and it's a neutral color. And this model, again, like it's so good. It has these net material for your skin to be able to breathe as well. And what I will say is that it has this longer band on your chest. I mean, usually typical bras are usually like this. It's together like this. And for us trans women, you know, we have larger chests and with broader shoulders. And with that, you would need a bra like this because actually it also stretches out a little bit. And that's what you need. You need to be flexible in your bra. And since this is broader, it won't look weird like this. Because usually what I've noticed with other bras is that it looks too much like this. Like you almost look like you're being strangled by your bra. But this, it's so breathable and flexible and stretchy. And I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. It literally suits my chest so well. And I would say that I have a broad chest. Not the broadest, but still, I mean, this compensates with that. And I think this is very good. And FYI, this is not sponsored. So yeah, I did in fact buy this with my own money. So just FYI. And this also has paddings here. And it's very, very important. Because what it actually will do is lift up your cherries and up and inwards as well. So, when you walk as well, it's gonna bounce. And that's, ideal when you wanna pass, especially as a trans woman. Personally, that's what I think. For me, it's all about being natural. You know what I mean? And I think that suits me personally. Like, don't come for me. And that bra will be my baby because it creates an illusion of volume in this area. So yeah. So the second thing would actually be a boob sticker with adhesive on. I can't even talk. So it actually looks like this. I already have one on, but I bought an extra. This is actually in the size B, but I bought an A cup because my boobs are bigger than an A cup, more bigger than a B cup too, but the smaller the better because it will be tighter. Again, it needs to be tight, a little bit uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. So this is actually what it looks like. Yeah. You remove the sticker here and then the adhesive will show up. The same with this side. And then, yeah, here's a clicker like this. And then you just click on it like this then. And this actually, it goes under your bra. So this first and then your bra on top. And you gotta be quick so it doesn't have the time to unattach to your chest while you're putting your bra on, because I've had that problem so many times. So I am very fast with it. I put this on and then the bra right away. But this is actually gonna lift your bra so much. It's actually crazy. So the pros of this would be that it actually it doubles your boob size, like for real. I'm not even exaggerating. Like you saw in the introduction that the actual result, it's crazy. And they literally just cost, what, $5 each. I know, it's freaking crazy. But what I will say is that the cons would be that the actual adhesive, it will last you for like 2 months and then you have to repurchase. But it's worth it, to be honest. And these are actually from Shane, not sponsored again, and not saying that, Shane is a good factory to buy from, because, there's a lot of unfairness regarding the workers there and them not getting paid enough. And, this whole thing with climate change as well. Yeah, I will say that I am a victim in that department because I do shop there a lot, but I'm not condoning to buy from there. You know what I mean? But this is where I got them, and yeah. So if you want the dramatic effect, these are actually 100% worth it. So the third thing would actually be contouring. And this is the brand that I actually use. It's actually from Technique Foundation Stick. That's what it's called. Look at my English today. What's going on, Isabel, girl? Yeah, it's called also Cream Foundation. Fond de teint crème en France. That's what it's written. But yeah, this is actually, I bought this from a brand called Stella, or a factory, I should say. And this color is actually in the color chestnut. This is actually the darkest shade. I believe it is. and it's actually the most cool toned version too. It looks very warm on camera, but trust me, like in real life, it's very cool toned. I use this on my cheek and stuff like that, but I also use it to contour a little bit. Now, you don't want to exaggerate with it. You just want to put it here and then blend it in with this, just like so. And then you could put a little bit of blush here, you know, to make the boobs look cute, I guess, and aesthetic. I think it looks more natural, honestly. And then put a little bit highlighter here and here, and then highlighter here as well. And then you could also contour your what are these called, collar bones, yes, to get a more flattering look, but again, not too much. Okay, yeah, it's all about naturalism. And then, you know, the fourth and last thing would actually be, oh my god, I accidentally signed the help sign, oh my god. Would actually be oh my god, I just distracted myself. Styling your clothes tightly. So these are actually the clothes that I typically use. You know, they curve out my body, and they are typically longer, and then they are tight here as well. So it makes, you know, the cherries pop, if you will. Because what tighter clothing actually does, especially here when it's tight here, is actually emphasize what you've created here, what you already have. And I would actually avoid, you know, having necklines, because I think that it doesn't appear that feminine, and you want to be able to show these cherries because that's what they are there for. I mean, that's what I believe. So yeah, that's everything so far. And if you have any personal tips and wisdom you want to like share in the comments, please feel free to do that. I will most likely be reading them and liking them as well. So yeah, again, do not forget to, you know, check out my Patreon and make sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications down below. I would truly and very much appreciate it. So yeah, stay tuned into my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye, beautiful, beautiful people.